there's something wrong. There's something wrong with you today.
Yes.
We need you to pray for you. My pastors, thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We will all take our seats. Thank you.
Thank you. Nigel, stepmother, I'm not even responding, guys. I'm going to get inspiration. I'm going to battery camera. Two guys, Derek. Murano, I'm going to Ramazan. Two guys, battery camera. Auntie Danny, yes, champagne.
Hello.
Guys, stepmother, all right. I don't even have the energy.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I please have your ears? And that if you all say to me English, you can changam. And I'm going to uroka to
Nimundo kudeo magadaro mese futi.
Ladies and gentlemen,
love you, Bobo. Love you, Irene.
Ladies and gentlemen, may you please take your seats. Pamsoro ipamwe panya kudapanya wasibudzwa chirungu. Ndangandi chikumbiriso nemuta kuti mutore masits enyu. And may we
Thank you, Mimi.
Quiet for just a bit. I won't be long. As I said initially, I had a team of that were working under me.
Absolutely love you.
With the event planner Antidana guiding us to make this function a success tonight. We still have a whole night ahead of us, and I can assure you are going to thoroughly enjoy the night. There is a time whereby there will be no talking, and DJ Sebelebe will be doing his thing.
Amen.
DJ Sebelebe, but it will be later on. Tonight, I want to appreciate the ladies that worked with me. They worked tirelessly. We would come back together in one piece. Hence, what you are seeing tonight. But before I do that, let me first of all thank you all for the charitable work that you have done throughout SIS MELLY's diaries. You have contributed left, right, and center, especially even in the COVID time when most of us were not going to work. Maingo wanikomuchi contributor chete. Nasi tunakumboti paugere ipapo uzviomberere mawoko because you did very well. Iwe sanyamunhu. Ini pano tichazviomberera. Zviomberere mawoko. You did very well. Thank you. Amongst some of the charitable things that we did the wheelchair charity with the 19 wheelchairs that were sent to Zimbabwe. Another one was the IVF baby that we have got.
Called the Pamsoro. Ladies, Pamsoroi. Aiwa, my ladies, chinai. All right, kana panar kutaura. Chitaura zvako asi usakanga tese takamirira iwe mirai coordinate taura zvenyu asi usakanga takamirira imi kana uri kutaura taura hako asi usakanga takamirira iwewe upe mupedze kutaura zvauri kutaura totanga program. Table iyo tikukuona apo, please takumbirawo. Tose tiri vanhu vakuru takumbirawo. Andi tose takuta SIS MELLY. SIS MELLY vacho hapana kana ari kumbovateerera zviri kuitika apo, musadaro. Please takumbirawo. We only got about only 30 minutes of talking and then we'll continue the program. I'm begging you ladies, please. Mazvita henyu, Mwari anyaradze muromo wenyu zvikatapedza.
Thank you, DJ Sebelebe. As I was saying, we did charitable work. Amongst the things that we did was the wheelchair charity that we did. The IVF, we've got baby Ta. I think she's now 3-4 years, if I'm not mistaken. 4 years. Yeah, so it's 4 years, 3 years, 3 years. It's 3 years ago that we contributed to a couple in Zimbabwe that were desperately wanting to have a child. And because of you, the baby is now 3 years old. Amongst things that we did, we all know what we did, but you contributed with all your heart, especially during the COVID time. You showed up. A big thank you, Dinotenda. On behalf of the leadership, SIS MELLY's Diaries, it's a big thank you for contributing to the charitable causes. Tonight, I want to appreciate, as I said initially, I want to appreciate the team that made this possible. I am going to call them to come up front. I have made small tokens of appreciation, so that is what I want to present to them.
Can I ask the events planners and the functions team to come up, please? Teta Chop Chop, because I know people are hungry, people want to dance, so if we can do it quickly, please. We want to appreciate you, the time you worked, day and night, the WhatsApp group, the deliberations. We want to really thank you for donating your time to arrange this event. I know some of them are still manning the entrance, so they may not come up. So, Aunt Selina.
You will have to bear with me whilst I dig in my bag to give to these lovely people who worked tirelessly for this function to be what it is. I think you all know Auntie Danai. She was our event planner. She was the one running around doing all sorts of things. And she was guiding us as a team. I might have been the chairperson of SIS MELLY's Diaries, but let me be honest with you. There are some things that you know and there are some things that you don't know. And in this instance, I put my hand up. I didn't know anything about planning. And she led us in the planning. Auntie Dani, Auntie Danai, this envelope is for you. This envelope is for you. You have led us well. You have toiled day and night. You have gone to places that we never imagined we would reach. You have called us when we are in places that we would never imagine to be, for this day to be. Tonight, I want to present you this. It's a small token, but we appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
On behalf of SIS MELLY, we'd like to thank you for the work that you've done. So we have an outstanding achievement award for you as well. Thank you very much.
Okay, I know some of my team are not here. Go, Gwenya. Go. Siyabonga kakhulu. You have been guiding us as our elder on this group. Yeah. When we went astray, you would say girls, and you would bring us back in form. Thank you so much for your guidance. Thank you.
Thank you.
Auntie, they are still busy. Okay. Auntie Joyce, thank you so much for all the work that you've done, even tonight. You've been running around. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, Children Tender. Auntie Mimi, where are you? Auntie Mimi! Thank you so much for all that you have done, even tonight. I saw that when you were on the door, you were so strict, even to me, that you couldn't bend a room when I commanded something, you said, no. And you stood your ground. That is the way to go. Thank you so much. Auntie Mercy.
She's still at the door.
Auntie.
Mercy.
Auntie Febi. Auntie Febi, where are you? Auntie Febi. Thank you so much. Tinote. Thank you so much. That is for you as well. Auntie Hilda. Auntie Hilda. Auntie Irene. Auntie Irene, thank you so much. Tinote.
Comment section. Excellent.
Where Elizabeth? These two goggles, they've been guiding us so much. If you were to hear their ages, you will see that we were well cushioned when we were planning our things. These two goggles. Thank you so much. Auntie Rena, thank you so much. Tinote, thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you.
Thank you, team.
Yeah, I think that is all. The other ladies are busy at the door.
Well done, Gogo.
Got some people that are still coming in.
And that's about one in
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
About one in Nikutina.
Okay. Next, I'm going to call on my co-workers, the leadership team that have worked with since the inception of SIS MELLY's diaries. Mr. Changata. Mr. Changata was the chairperson of SIS MELLY's diaries. He is the one who made us to be where we are, with all the rules that we use in the group. I think you all know that he stepped down sometime last year. So I would just like to thank him for making SIS MELLY's diaries to be what it is today. And Chelsea, my Gigi. Thank you so much, our treasurer since inception of SIS MELLY's diaries. Denoted. Thank you so much. Also, my Changata, can I ask you to come up, please? We also want to appreciate you. Kuti pane dzimwe nguva dzataitaura manheru zitereki navachangata tichiita zvinhu, and you always supported him. Therefore tonight I also want to appreciate my Changata, Mudzimai Wamukoma Godeni. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much.
Okay, Chido, I'll try and share it. Hang on, let me see. How do I do it? Thank you, Cherry.
Thank you, Mama Changata.
Do share the main page. Hang on.
Okay. Tonight I also want to appreciate. I've just been given an envelope to give to SIS MELLY, but also I want to appreciate Reverend Netimurao, Reverend. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, I also want to appreciate Reverend. Thank you so much for making the time. Now, Mama Reverend, Netimi, Tinokutendai, we just wanted to appreciate. I think in the net I'll be signal here with the time here. We just wanted to appreciate you tonight. Thank you so much. SIS MELLY, I've also got this to appreciate. I also want, tonight we are on live. We are broadcasting live on SIS MELLY's diaries. And for those that are watching at home, I also want to say thank you so much for the contributions that you have made in making SIS MELLY's diaries. South Africa, Tinokutendai. Some other African countries also Tinokutendai. America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Dubai. Thank you so much. Those that are watching at home, I hope you are enjoying tonight's program. Keep tuned in. We have got more. SIS MELLY, we appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Auntie Selina. Okay? We just want to appreciate Auntie Selina and their team. Can you give them a hand, please? Give them a hand. Zororo. May you please come?
But isn't it? But
We want to know how
And share the main page because I'm going to main page.
I'm going to main page. All right, Mira, Linda, main page. Music, guys. Main page are hit because of music. Article put up main page because of music. Monetization. So I know we have local and speaker. So I'm going to tell you, guys, you can share the live. Take Gaiva, Momo share live. Take others and share the live, please, guys. Oh, man, it's a full house. My tickets are sold out. 275. 275. Yes, Penny, I mean page.
Let me just this opportunity to thank you all for coming. I think Mesa knows who I am. I'm the chief blocker and the disciplinarian in chief. About just to so when we started, when diaries started, you know what we were doing.
Okay,
our work was recognized by corporate giants in the funeral services sector in Southern Africa, Zimbabwe, South Africa, and we approached them to say, can you work with us, and can we help each other One of our major challenges is repatriation of bodies to Zimbabwe. SIS MELLY has been in places in South Africa, and we're making contributions and taking bodies home from Muziva. So we approached Zororo Pumlani Funeral Plan, which is owned by Dove Zimbabwe. They have been our principal sponsor, and they support us, they support SIS MELLY, and they support the work that we do. They are the only corporate company that we work with. We have what is called an exclusive agreement. From South Africa, their Johannesburg office, let me introduce to you Mr. Tendai Mangoti, who is the marketing manager for Zororo Pumlani. Wauya kuzoti tsika pano kuti tizo fara pamwe chete. I will hand over the microphone to him. You have a few words and also introduce the colleague that he has. One is Vakatrongera for UK, so we are happy to have them here.
Zororo fame UK.
UK oye!
Oye!
UK oye!
Zororo fame UK.
I'm not happy neka vibe kandiri kuona ku UK. But event yakadai so haidi katsika inongoda kakungozhandukira zvinhu zvichitofamba. Thank you so much, Mr. Gordon Changata and SIS MELLY Diaries team. The main reason why we are here, we just want to express our sincere gratitude to SIS MELLY Diaries and your team and all my diaries all over the world. The support Yamurubu Paku Zororo Pumlani brand. As we speak, here in the UK, we do have more than 500 clients who are paying their Zororo Pumlani funeral policies. So the reason why we are here, the support you are giving to the brand, and to just assure you, Kutumu UK equals best tapinda. So, zvimwe zvese zvanga zviripo iko zvine zvitakuya kuzozvigadzirisa tiri muno. On top of that, we just want to assure you, my diaries, could we make sure that we are taking care of SIS MELLY. I know SIS MELLY, munovafarira, and also as a brand, we are happy to be associated with SIS MELLY Diaries. Nene kuti vanos promote our brand, vanotisimudzira say company. SIS MELLY taingeti nemwe family nezuro zvikanzi ndinoziva Zororo through SIS MELLY. Someone watatisingatongoziva, so whatever zvamunenge muchiita zveya people are watching, and murikuendesa a brand to different people. As Zororo Pumlani, we are here to be the burden in the event of unforeseen circumstances. We are there to help you. We are there to assist you. So SIS MELLY, any event yamuchaita, Zororo Pumlani, I will be there to support you. And we just want to thank you. Even the event here in the UK and us, ndakanchiudza vekwatinogara kuAfrica kuti mastandards ari panapa UK.
True UK standards.
Even kadressing kacho unogona kuti kani that. Even katauriro kacho nechemerana anasisina vanenge vachingoroza zvineka that. So we just want to thank you for the product. Let me allow my colleague Nozipo or Zakeo. She's our call center manager in South Africa. all my registrations are network over the phone. She's the one who is responsible. Thank you.
UK Hoye? UK Hoye? I'm also guessing a lot of the tune of UK now. Okay, thank you so much for the welcome. Thank you for the hospitality. Thank you to the organizers of the program. It's very beautiful. Thank you. You know, as we were leaving home, people were asking for pictures, and we're just asking each other, are the pictures going to be worth sending? But I should say we are not embarrassed. We proudly send the pictures. Amen. Thank you for the good work. Okay, so like Ms. Mongoti has said, as Zororo Pumulani, we are offering a product that we call the Worldwide Funeral Plan, which covers Zimbabweans in any part of the world who would want to be repatriated back home in the event that the unfortunate has happened. It also gives you an opportunity to pay and cover your extended family members who are back home. The good thing about this plan is that you have an option. It's either to take the services or to be given the cash. So maybe for me not to waste much time, all those who are interested in registering, please come to our table right at the back. We are going to take your contact numbers. We're going to send you soft copies of the brochure. Please mark this. Today we're just introducing you to our entry-level product. We are going to launch 3 more products which we're going to share with the leadership and the management of the SIS MELLY diaries. The good thing about this product, imagine just from as little as 319. How much is 319 rands in pounds? I'm sure it's less than 20 pounds, eh? You can cover yourself, your spouse, and up to 6 children who are below the age of 21 years. And should the unfortunate happens, we do the repatriation from any part of the world back to Zim. We also do the documentation. We also give you 1 return air ticket. Then we also do the services when we get to Zimbabwe. So I'm inviting everyone who does not have this product to come at the back. I think most of us here, the fact that we are here in the UK, it shows that in one way or another, we are organized people. So let's not give people the burden of taking care of us when we are deceased. Let's plan our lives now while we are still alive. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you so much. My last request, Koma God on Timienu. Tine a survey yatrukuitawo kuma clients edu kuti tizive zvamunoda. For us to come up with the best product, we must know what you want. So titatumira a survey from our WhatsApp groups. Ndongokumbirawo kuti the exercise aikutorere 2 minutes unenge wapedza, so that patinodzokera back tinonoita come up with a product inenge tailor made for you after our opinion. So mongotidetserawo kumbira kuti that survey electronic survey yaunokuchipobayanga nechigunwe in 2 minutes unenge wapedza. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen,
thank you so much.
I'm your DJ.
I see everyone is a bit restless because they are hungry. So I've got good news for you. The food is ready. We're going to start with the tables at the back. The ushers are going to show you where to go. It's a lovely buffet prepared for us. So the people at the back will start with you while our DJ gives us some music. Thank you.
Inzwa mtari iri kutambika panapa kandi kuzoona maladies mudau yazofara handiti aiwa totaura chokwadi mudau yazofara handiti saka mimi idyai tifare tazvinzwa tanzwa zvabva kuSouth Africa but ndiri kuzoona maladies kakunoko ka SIS MELLY hallo tikudawo attention yasisiwo zvinai tikudawo mamoyo kunoko anzvadzika tinorova 12 to 12 achanzi saka nhasi ngatapuwa mavhiza sore henyu hanzvadzi asikuiginowai nhasi toda kukombonoka hanzvadzi nokuti ana baba ndori kubebhisita nhasi saka munadzai papo pabatei papo hanzvadzi yangu muri maoko madarasi muri UK ndikoko nayo
Pensa Janine, o senhor pensa chamar.
Imbojgai, Matsima, Imbojgai. I Imbojgai, and Askana Chiwe. Ah, nice. Thank you, Michael.
That will be what? That will be what life.
I'm going to change. Hey, what do you want my shorts? Ah, nice. I'm going to take a little Josie.
SIS MELLY, what do
you want my shorts? I'm going to
SIS MELLY, what do you want? SIS MELLY, what do you want? You didn't do that.
Right. I love you, ladies. Thank you for supporting SIS MELLY. Right. Tell them about my performance now. Today I'm fun. We're doing my live performance today, and we're gonna get ready. So now, please, if you have she pulled my parents or she won. So I don't know. Hey, she told my photos.
People are getting their gifts from the events, functions, for function groups. People are getting gifts.
I want to show that
Kutorwachi.
My pictures are nice.
Which are live in? Which are live? Do you like your gifts? Have you opened your gifts? Have you opened your gifts? You've got this one as well. Show off with your gifts. That's what we do.
Wow, thank you, darling.
So are you ready for the dance floor? You can't complain about your heels now. Okay. Koyangu minti iri kupi masi?
One day I used to call my mama.
Guys, guys.
And what she said, my mama. It's too early for you to fall in love.
I'm telling you that gift here.
My boy, one and only. Mama, don't you want me? She's my glory. One and only.
I'm single now, baby.
Baby, it's I'm single. You know that I'm single again. Oh yes, I'm single.
Thank you.
I'm single again. I'm single.
It's so hard to survive. Especially when the SIS MELLY in the house, you know. Oh, yeah, DJ M77 is going crazy. Oh, Shiba, baby. Shiba.
Mama, I'm gonna be okay, mama. Such a shame, mama. You thought it was games, mama.
Oh, yes, baby. I watch you things right. It's all about the party time until 2 o'clock in the morning. Oh, yes, one and only MCC Ebelebe. I'm pride in the house. How you doing, my brother? Yeah, do you flavor. All right, you know that I'm single.
Oh, yes.
Now, go, young man, go, young man. We want to start this now, right?
No, I'm on it. Just a few, just one or two. I'm good, Gogo. I love you more. Overwhelmed.
So you see the fruit of your head, say that. Again and again.
Thank you.
And you see the fruit of your leg. I could have done nigga. You will go to but you start to every step of the way. But look at this is your baby.
Okay. Sorry, we're trying to get ready music for a live artist, right?
I need to put children for you. I'm not going to attack it.
Thank you.
Because you can do very well.
Thank
so
you.
Today you go and sleep on Shakura Makumba.
People are having dinner now. It's a buffet, so people have gone to pick up their food. So that's why it's a bit noisy. People are going for their food. How far, Tawan? Are you downloading something? So play music then. Just do a song without the background.
That's good. Which one have I done? Play. What do you play about the dance? What do you play about the dance? Yeah, that's the problem. Because I can't play. Because if I play anything, if you download this part, it's over. It's like crash with a crash. Yeah, you tell me it's
okay, Tawa, don't worry about it. But
yeah, but it's just not coming out.
Do it without, do a duet.
This part clashes, then I'm done.
Do a duet. Just do without your thingy, without the beat. Guys, we're having problems, technical issues. We're having technical issues to put Tawa's music on the. Tawa, just do it because now it's because of time. I'm worried about time. Just can you do it? Give him the mic, please. You know your thing, so just do your thing. We just want Tawa to sing and then he goes back home because it's getting late. He has to sing and he goes back home. So unfortunately his back music couldn't play on DJ set.
Sunshine when she's gone. It's no warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's so warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And this house just ain't known anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And this house just ain't home. Anytime she goes away. Really trying to make this cash. Telling me cool down, but I'm on fire like ash. Y'all need some water for my energy. And even if they don't turn, I know you'll still remember me. It's T, really trying to make a change, trying to make it in the game. I don't care about the money or the fame. I'm just trying to feed the family in hopes of staying sane. But ain't no sunshine when she's gone. No, only darkness every day. Oh no, ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't home. Anytime she goes away, 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 away.
Yay! Good tower!
Oh, everyone to sing with me with this song. Everyone to sing with it. Ready?
Don't you want Tawana with you? Call Tawana, call him. Call him on your mic.
Gino Fata Mweya Yedu Kuchagamu Shano Uya Kuchagamu
Shano
Uya.
That's it. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry. Toka pana papa toka. We need to reduce it properly. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a young man. A young man who's actually going to be our future artist. If you want to know about more of his music, please don't forget to download it. You can go on to Tawana on YouTube. This youngster is coming up and we need to support him very, very much. He's from here, born in Zimbabwe, yeah?
Hi, Cynthia. Hi,
you're born in England, actually. Alright, born in England, actually, but we're from Zimbabwe, panel. Okay, so God bless you, man. Where's your mother? Where's mommy? Where's your mother? Where's Sisi Fiona? Where's mommy? She's in the car, isn't it? You eat, listen, take some of this, and then we say good night, okay? Because we're all not going to elders. Okay? Good night. Thank you. Right. Hey, that's in Queen, are you back?
Secular.
Right.
Alright, Mirai Madman, we could chamber stepmother signing out. I'm Sandy Daro, guys. Mungan stepmother, you never want to get a stepmother. Stepmother, one wants them. Vramaso. I want to secure Faith, it's not my age. I see for Angusha. Nawe Jumebi ndakuta senas ndakudini ko ndakakuta sena iwe Tino
Yes, please come into my inbox. Lorraine, come. I miss you. Ah, Lydia, Sandy Center. I go deal with you when I come to Africa. Chimbotambai, ngatisaite violence, ngatimbotambai. Bridget, inbox. Tumebanda ukubloga sha. Ndakuisa pa mute for 2 minutes. Andingambo kubloga uri munhu wepano aublokeki. Andina kubloga. Anzina Jena when I grow want to be admin. Munomboni stress abandokuda yangu madiaries. Nasi tukai zvenye tukai mutuke